Hi everybody, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel and to another recipe of the week. Today I have another crockpot recipe to share. So we are making Swedish meatballs in the crockpot. So what you're going to need is a packet of onion soup mix. Going to need a bag of meatballs. This one says there are 52 in there. They are the like small snacky size ones. You could also use a bag of the bigger ones, it doesn't matter. Cream of mushroom soup and a can of beef broth, and then later we're going to cook up a package of egg noodles. I got the medium kind, and then we will need some sour cream. Okay, so I'm going to dump my onion soup packet in here. And then my beef broth. We're going to give that a little stir. Mix up the soup mix with the beef broth. Then we're going to dump in our can of cream of mushroom soup. Stir that up. Okay, so I'm going to dump in my meatballs. I'm going to kind of get those all on the layer and coat them up. Okay, so that is all to that recipe. So we're going to put our lid on there and we are going to cook these on high for 4 hours. Okay, so our meatballs have another half hour of cooking. Okay, my pot of water is boiling. Okay, so we are going to cook our noodles for about 7 minutes. Okay, our noodles are done and drained. Our meatballs are done cooking. So we are going to add 1 cup of sour cream to our meatballs. Mix that up.
What?
Okay, so you can take your meatballs and dump them all on your noodles and mix them up, or you can put your noodles on your plate and add how many meatballs you would like.
Where'd he go, Dookie? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Father. Diesel was over here and Duke was chasing him. Diesel jumped on the table and Duke ran, and he was running around that side, and Duke looked and Diesel was gone. And he started whining. He's like, "Where are you?" And he's running around. Where'd you go, Dookie?
Okay, so we've got quite a bit of meatballs left over. What I like to do with the leftover meatballs if there's not enough noodles, is just to make some white rice and then put the rest of the meatballs and kind of gravy sauce over the rice. So if you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.